Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and everyday clothing. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as shirt, shirt. Here we go again, shirt. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as shirt, shirt. Here we go again, shirt. It refers to a garment worn on the upper body, usually with a collar, sleeves, and buttons, commonly worn in both casual and formal settings. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.